Hello everyone and welcome. In this quick video, we're going to take a look at Dubsado, Honeybook and Clickup to see which is better. So I have here a list with pros and cons for each one of them. So we're going to take a look at this. The first one is Dubsado. The pros: deep automation and workflows, customizable forms, proposals, and contracts, strong client portal, and time tracking plus invoicing. Now the cons: steeper learning curve, not ideal for teams needing task management. Best for freelancers or agencies that want strong CRM and process automation. Then we have Honeybook. The pros: user-friendly, beautiful UI, all-in-one contract invoicing and scheduling, good templates for creatives, and mobile app is excellent. The cons: less flexible than Dubsado, limited deep customization. Best for solo creatives and small teams wanting easy client workflows. And then we have ClickUp. The pros: extremely powerful task plus project management, time tracking, goals, docs, and automation. Scales well for teams, free plan available. The cons: not a CRM by default and can be overwhelming. This is the best for teams that need robust task project management over client focused features. So basically, these are the pros and cons for each one of them. I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, guys.